Number one, it being an all-in-one platform, knowing that we're going to have one login, we're going to be able to have all of our team, in that one system, and all of the AI, all of the automation. It's just really exciting to be on the cutting edge.
From a sales perspective, we've started to use the full CRM side of Zenopal, using the tool to maximize our sales efforts versus getting an outside CRM and then plugging it in. And one platform, one solution, that's the idea.
Well, I'm really liking all the AI stuff coming out. Utilizing the AI for BI right now. The AI for BI is really powerful. I don't have to go digging reports. I can just ask a question and it pops it out. So it gives you information at your fingertips really quickly.
One of the things that stands out for me is the reporting, the auto reporting. I love it. You waste a lot of time running reports and thinking, I got to run that report. I don't have to do it anymore, so it saves me a lot of time.
People, support, the fact that if have a question, if we have an issue, anything related to our usage of the software, anything whatsoever, we reach out and you're right there.
Integrations with E-Verify, background checks, it kind of makes it easier all in one place.
Yep.
So if we need to, check on something or download something, everything's in one thing, not multiple platforms.